Welcome back. You're watching the special edition of the Money Show, Ye Diwali Muskaan Wali, and now it's time to get your mutual fund portfolio queries answered because there are plethora of funds available in the market to invest your hard-earned money in. But how do you assess which is the right fund for your portfolio? What are the criteria that one should look at to help you navigate through this maze? So we have Pankaj Matpal, MD, Optima Money Managers today. Also, do not forget to send us your portfolio queries on our WhatsApp number, which is 865-797-4571. You can also email us your queries on themoneyshow@etnow.tv. Pankaj, good evening and welcome to the show. Wish you a very happy Diwali and in fact a Diwali Muskaan Wali. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Kavita. Good evening.
All right, so let's begin. We'll take Rohini's question, and she says that she is 32 years old, and after 20 years, she needs 2.5 crores. And for that, she wants to understand how much she needs to invest now. The kind of funds she has in the portfolio are SBI Balance Advantage Fund, HDFC Multi-Asset, SBI Nifty Mid-Cap 150 Index Fund. And she started investing in mutual funds recently. The minimum amount of investment is 1,000 rupees in all the funds. So she wants your help in order to achieve the goal that she has set for herself and 2.5 crores after 20 years, and how much should she be increasing her investment amount?
Because see, she has 3 funds in her portfolio. All the funds are good. But only thing is that my suggestion, because she is very young and her investment horizon is very long, and the funds she has selected, 2 are hybrid fund and 1 is large cap fund. So my suggestion is that considering her long investment horizon, she should consider some large and mid cap fund or multi cap fund in her portfolio. So diversified equity funds will be a better choice for long term. These funds are good if investor is risk averse investor, but otherwise with the objective of wealth creation, I'll say that she should make some changes in her portfolio. And like Axis Multi-Cap Fund or Nippon India Multi-Cap Fund can be considered for long term. As I said, because of the long-term investment horizon, these funds will be more suitable. Second question, what you asked that how much she should invest, if we assume 12% CAGR on her investment, so with 3,000 rupees in 20 years means she can expect some 28 lakh. And her target is much bigger than this. So she will have to increase her investment year after year with a good percentage. See, if I say that she doubles this right now, even that is not possible to achieve her target, is quite big. So because she has quite good time in her hand, so from time to time, she should increase her investment.
All right, Pankaj, let's move on to Tarun's question. And Tarun has shared his portfolio, which is divided as per time horizon, which is very interesting. For the period of 3 years, he says that he's investing in HDFC Multi-Asset and SBI Multi-Asset Fund. For 6 years, Kotak Equity Opportunities. For 22 years, he has HDFC Multi-Cap, he has Axis Small Cap, Kotak Small Cap, SBI Mid Cap, Miraasat Tax Saver, Nippon Flexi Cap. Total amount of investment that's going for different duration is almost 60,000 per month, and he's 30 years old, and 6 crores by 2045 is what his goal is, and he wants to step up his SIP by 10% every year. And on debt side, he has fixed deposits, recurring deposits, PPF and EPF, where the investment is still going on, and he's been investing since last 5 years almost, and 9 lakhs is what he's accumulated so far. He wants to know if the fund mix is good, and he's also aware of the amount of risk he's taking in the portfolio. So an experienced investor, I would say, but then the strategy that's been laid out, as per different duration, the fund selection as well. What do you have to say on that?
Kavita, see, he's investing 60,000 per month, but he has 3 different goals. And for next 3 years, he has been investing in hybrid funds. But he has this hybrid means because we have different categories in hybrid also, and he is investing in a multi-asset allocation fund where the equity allocation is substantially large. So though he has mentioned that he understands risk, but still when you have allocation around 50% in equity, I think funds will not be suitable for 3 years investment horizon. So my suggestion that for 3 years investment horizon, he should consider some conservative hybrid funds or equity savings fund So if he can make some changes, that will be better. Or otherwise, he can continue with these funds if he's ready to take risk. Funds are good, whether we talk about short term, long term, whatever he has selected, funds are good. And out of the 60,000, 46,000 is for the long term, which he says that for 22 years, he will continue his investment. So Kavita, if I see that his target is 6 crore rupees and 46,000 at 12% CAGR and with 10% step up, he can expect around 12 crore rupees. So I think that he can achieve his target with his investment. So
Okay.
all the best to him.
All right, so that's good news for Tarun. And with that, thank you so much, Pankaj, for being on the show and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio queries. And time to sign off, but I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and our email ID. Happy Diwali once again.